Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve question based on operation of real number. Here, find f plus g, f minus g, f into g, 1 upon f and f by g in each of following. Function given fx equal to x cube plus 1, second gx equal to x plus 1. So, to find f plus g, f minus g, f g 1 upon f and f by g, first find its domain of the given function. So now observing fx equal to x cube plus 1. So this function is defined all real number. So domain fx equal to all real number. Next, gx is also defined for all real number. So domain gx is also real number. Now taking intersection of fx and gx. So intersection of fx and gx is domain fx intersection gx is equal to also a real number. This is also a real number. So we can say the first f plus g, we have to ask find. So the function f plus g, sum of two functions defined from real number to real number. Okay, f plus g defined from real number to real number by f plus g x equal to fx plus gx. Now substituting the value of fx and gx. Fx is x cube plus 1 and gx is x plus 1. So x cube plus x 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so this is required sum of the function f plus g, x cube plus x plus 2. Okay. The next we have to find f minus g. So f minus g is also defined. F minus g, the function f minus g is difference of two function, is defined from real number to real number. Okay, by f minus g x equal to fx minus gx. So value of fx is x cube, next x cube plus 1 minus gx is x plus 1. So this is x cube plus 1 minus x minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel to each other, and here x cube minus x is left. So this is required difference of two function f minus g. Okay, next to find the product of two function means f into g. So the product of two function f into g defined real number to real number. This is also defined real number to real number. by f g x equal to fx into gx. The value of fx is x cube plus 1, gx is x plus 1. Multiply, so x cube by x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus x plus 1. Okay, so this is the product of two function, x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x plus 1. Next is 1 upon f. To find 1 upon f, one upon f. Next is 1 upon f. So 1 upon f is 1 upon f means 1 upon x cube plus 1. Okay. So dear children, this 1 upon f is a reciprocal function. So this function is defined, not defined all real number. Okay. If you substitute here -1, then -1 to the power 3 plus 1. -1 to the power 3 is -1. -1 plus 1 is 0. So 1 upon 0 not defined. Okay, 1 upon 0 the function is not defined. So here find first domain. What is domain? So this is clear by observing the function. This is the domain of function is fx is, in this case, all real number except -1. Okay, all real number except -1. So 1 upon f is a function from real number except -1 to real number defined by 1 upon f. F is equal to 1 upon fx is equal to x cube plus 1, where x equal to not minus 1. X equal to not minus 1. Clear? Next is f upon g. F upon g. F upon g. Okay. F upon g means f is x cube plus 1 and x plus 1. So here x plus 1 is not equal to 0, means x cannot take negative -1, because at x equal to -1 the function is not defined. So f upon g is a function from all real number except -1 to real number, and defined by f by g. X equal to fx upon gx. Fx upon gx. Fx is x cube plus 1, and this is gx x plus 1, where x equal to not minus 1. X equal to not minus 1. So this is required x function. Okay, this is required value of the function f by g. Next The second part is x minus 1 and gx. And same also find f plus g, f minus g, f into g, 1 upon f and f by g. In this function fx equal to square root x minus 1, gx equal to square root x plus 1. Okay, so the domain of the function, find the domain of fx. Domain fx is equal to x minus 1 is defined only the value x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So therefore the domain of the function fx is 0 to infinite. Okay, 0 to infinite. Okay, not 0, 1 to infinite. And same here, the domain of gx is minus 1 to infinite. Minus 1 to infinite. Okay. So now taking out the common domain in both the function fx and gx. So common domain means domain fx intersection gx equal to. So we have common from 1 to infinite in both the domain. So write 1 to infinite. Now we have to find f plus g. So f plus g is defined. F plus g is a function from closed interval 1 and open to infinite to real number by f plus g x equal to fx plus gx. So fx is square root. Okay, we have find both f plus g simultaneous. Okay, so f plus g. So write f plus minus g. Both are defined from closed interval 1 to open interval infinite to real number. So write f plus g. Fx equal to fx plus minus gx. So this is fx is x plus minus 1 plus minus gx is x plus 1. Square root x minus 1 plus minus square root x plus 1. Next, fg. Fg is also defined. F into g is a function from real number. Okay, from 1 closed interval to open infinite to real number by f into g x equal to fx into gx. So fx is square root x minus 1. This is x plus 1. And this is written as x minus 1 x plus 1 is equal to x square minus 1. Okay, x x square minus. Okay, next is 1 upon f and f by g. In 1 upon f, 1 upon f. So f is 1 upon x minus 1. Okay, so here domain in this case change. Okay, so the function x minus 1, the value of x minus 1 is greater than 0, so this is greater than 1. Okay, the domain of a function 1 upon f is define all real number. Okay, define all real number except 1 or no, not except 1 upon f define open interval 1 to infinite. Okay, right, 1 is 0, so write open interval 1 to infinite to r, all real number by 1 upon f equal to 1 upon fx. 1 upon value of fx is x minus 1, and similarly gx 1 upon g. 1 upon g is a function from open interval -1 to infinite. Open interval -1 comma infinite to real number. Defined by f upon gx equal to fx by gx. Fx is x minus 1 upon gx is square root x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Okay.